Hello and welcome to the newhopecare.com anger management class. And once again, in order to log in to the start page, when you go to any page at the newhopecare.com website, to the right there will be a badge and it will have the student login. So just click on that, and once you log in, the login page will come up as you see. And once the login page is up, all you need to do is put in your login name and a password, your password that you made up, and then all you need to do is log in. Once you click the login button, you will go to your dashboard, and your dashboard will say dashboard account learning. Now from this page you go to my courses. You have several icons, which is a group lesson icon, course catalog, and reports. When you go to the course catalog, if this is the first time you're logging in, then you will choose the course that you want, 8 hours or 12 hours, 24 hours. We have the 16-hour class as well. Many people just want to see what it looks like, what the feel of it is, so you'll go ahead and register for the free course. Once you register for the free course, that will be placed in the add the cart here, and then you will go back to your dashboard, and in the dashboard you will go to the My Courses. Once you get into the My Courses, if you have the free class, then that will show, or you will have the class that you registered for. In this case, Anger Management Program 8 hours. Keep in mind that the introductory class, which is the Anger Management Quiz, is Anger a Problem for You, is in all of the courses. That's the first class in all of the various courses. So what you want to do is just click on that, and let me tell you, the way that the program is set up, you must complete in order the first cycle, the second, and then the third, and then the fourth. It will not give you any information for the second tier until you've completed the first, and the first is always is Anger a Problem for You. So once you click on that, then depending on how fast your system is, you will be taken to the page to where it has Is Anger a Problem for You. Now on that page you're going to have several things. You're going to have a start lesson, lesson information, and a glossary. Glossary is very good. It has words that you may want to look up concerning anger. To the right you will have a video or other learning experiences that you can take advantage of that will help you particularly to complete the course that you are now taking. As an example, you have links that you see there. You have quotes, and one of the quotes for today is refrain from anger and turn from wrath. Do not fret, it leads only to evil. And that's a Psalms one. Okay, so each day they do change. And then you have frequently asked questions that you would be interested in. Once you have looked at this page to the right, and you've taken a look at the video,
I'm making this video to speak out against some of the rumors that have been flying around here that I have some kind of anger problem.
I'm just so mad!
All of these things have been spoken behind my back and have been really harmful to me and to my family. People have been saying things that about how I get angry at really little things.
and once again, these are videos that are all the way through, various ones. Some of them are funny, some of them not so funny, but all of them is to give you an understanding of what anger is and how you perceive anger. Then what happens is that you go up and you start your lesson, and all of them have a start lesson. In this particular lesson, and only in this one, this is actually a reflection, meaning what we want you to do is to read the question and in your mind state whether you think it's true or false. As an example, I try to ignore my anger in the hope it will go away. So do you sit, and if you're mad at somebody, you just kind of ignore it and hope that it goes away? That's true or false for you? Only you can answer that. Another question would be down as an example: my anger has resulted in problems at work, or problems at home, or trouble with the law. If you're taking this class for a court-ordered situation, then obviously this could be a problem, anger. So you say true or false, and you just put that in your mind, true or false. Just put it on the shelf and think about it. Then as you go down, you'll read all the questions. I sometimes feel out of control when I'm angry. Is that true or false? Do you get out of control when you are angry? Then once you've read this, then you want to look at the little square, which is very important. Watch my cursor. It's going to ask you set the unit as completed. That means that you have honestly read the information, thought about it, and you've completed it. So all you have to do, and let me show you what's going to happen up here. At the top to the right, it has lesson materials. Your anger. Is your anger a problem? Is anger a problem for you? That's the test. So if you see here, it says lesson progress. Right now the lesson progress indicates 0, meaning that you have not indicated to the system that you have indeed completed some of the requirements. And then you have frequently asked questions here again. Okay, we're going to set this as complete. That's down here. Watch my cursor. Very important. This is on every page as you begin to move through the process. You click here and it says check, meaning that at this point in time you have completed this section. Once again, there's no questions to answer here. This is the only section that's this way, and what you do is say yes, and that's 50%, meaning that you have completed 50% of this unit by just reading, looking at the videos, and indicating that you have done that. Then the next you do is quite simple. Is anger a problem for you? You go and you click the arrow and you go to the next page. The next page is going to have some instruction. Is anger a problem for you? Then you will read it, a test duration. It talks about the test. It's unlimited. Number of questions. There's only one question in this particular module, and questions are shown all together. So far you have done this test 0 times, meaning that you can take any of these tests over and over again if you like. So then you're going to proceed to the test. Okay, once that's clicked, depending on how fast your service is, you will move to the next page. It's quite intuitive once you kind of get the feel of what's really going on with it. So now you've gone to the next page. Is anger a problem for you? This little icon here with the pencil, with the pen on a little paper, that means it's a test. So now the question is 1. Remember it said it's only one question. Then you're going to answer in the anger a problem for you self-test, which we've just gone through. Did you answer any other questions true? So if you're taking this class for court-appointed reasons, then yes, I would assume one of those are true. So you would just say yes, and you'd submit the test. Okay? Depending on how fast your service is, again, the system will take that information, begin to compile it, and it will give you another page. Once again, you have completed 50%. Now, if you look over here, it's 100% complete, meaning you have read the information, looked at the videos, you've indicated that you've completed that part. Now you've taken the self-test, and it's 100% complete. Now you just look at the instructions. The test started. It tells you when the test started, gives you some additional information, and it gives some explanations when required in various modules. Now you've completed this module. This is 100%. You're done. Now what do? You go back to the next and just click up here, next lesson. You also can do the control panel, and you can go to My Courses if you like. Then you just click Next, and once you click Next, it goes to What is Anger? Here's another video. Here's the starts lesson information, the glossary. You go through you look at the video, you look at the questions, then you click on the next section lesson, and it will begin to tell you what you need to do in order to complete. Remember, once you complete it, once you click that and you complete what's required here by reading this information, then you click Set this unit as complete, because once you set it as complete, that means you've read this information and you understood it, and then it is going to tell you the test and tell you what you need to do in order to complete the whole unit. This is it in a nutshell. It's quite intuitive, and we thank you for taking the exam and the test, and good luck, and we'll see you at the top. Thank you.